So this is where I'm supposed to pick it up. It's like a county jail or something, bro. What's up guys, Ken here and welcome to another video. Today we are installing JLT version 3 oil separators and one more thing, this thing. Yep. We are installing the Blackvue camera and we are replacing this little buddy over here with the JLT version 3s. Alright. So I went upstairs to grab some tools and something came in the mail again. As you guys, it's been a pattern now. Some of you guys are not a big fan of these things, but I am. Uh-oh, here it is. Bruh, finally. So this is going to the car today also. So this is going on. That's gonna be replaced. Camera's gonna be installed. It's turning out to be a great day even though it's raining. The weather in Jersey never changes. So it's awfully dark here in the interior. It's really hard for me to probably make a video, so I might just, you know, skip to the end when I finally get it on. Comes with that. Comes with this. Comes with the... No, it doesn't come with this. You have to buy this separately. This is the Power Magic Pro, so you can fuse tap the camera to your car so that when you park it, when you leave, you know, it turns on by itself. It gets power straight from the car. So you can see I've managed to take off the side panels. I just have to get rid of this A panel and then I could run the wires all the way through. Alright guys, I managed to install that. I get a live feed from my phone. I don't know if you can see it. Live feed. Yep. On to the back camera. Now that is a clean install. This is the part of the video where Jeff Aston goes, everything's been buttery smooth so far. Yep. I got all the cables and wires. That was tricky. So the camera is pretty much installed, front and back. I just need to order me some fuse tabs. But for now, I did it the old school way where you take the fuse and then you just wrap it around and you shove it back in. Don't do that. But when my fuse tab does get here, I will do it properly. But for now, the camera is on fuse number 2 and 23. 2 for the yellow and 23 for the red. But once I get the fuse tab, the number 23 fuse, I might move it all the way up to 36. Because if you put both of them next to each other, they won't fit. So right now it's 2 and 23 fuse, and then when the fuse tabs get here, I'll move it to 2 and 36 so they both could fit. That's pretty much it. We'll probably install the oil separator next. Alright, this next part is very easy. You just go here, press a button, take that off, go here, click that. That's the factory. Grab your JLT oil separator, or whatever brand you have, and just plug it in. Snap. There, snap. Should be it. There's the can. They recommend that every time you get your oil change, take this, empty the can out when you're doing that. Yeah. One last thing, those plates. All right, time to take this thing off. Let's take this thing off. Bye-bye to this, and hello to rice. Woo! So I just finished everything and I checked my phone because I'm expecting a package. I just got an email from FedEx saying that they messed up on my order. Like, they can't deliver my headers today because they put it on the wrong truck. Like, why? That's a big no-no for me. We're gonna drive up there and pick up the headers. I'll be taking my dad's van. Let's go. So this is where I'm supposed to pick it up. It's like a county jail or something, bro. Hi, I spoke to a person on the phone regarding about my package, and they said I could pick it up here.
Come on in.
Oh, snap. That was easy. This is it. Hello.
Hi. Your checking number?
Yeah.
Was it a Dell computer?
No, it's like a big 60-pound box.
Okay.
Yeah, it's a big heavy one.
Okay.
Shout out to this Challenger though. It's a nice whip, bro. Nice wheels. Here it is, guys. American Racing. I don't know if I could flip this. American Racing headers. Probably confusing you guys. So anyway, we got the headers. We're gonna bring this home. So now that we got the headers, we're gonna figure out a way to squeeze everything in the car, the headers and the full catback exhaust in the Mustang, then leave it in the shop in the morning, then hopefully pick it up late in the afternoon. But yeah, stay tuned guys, make sure you subscribe. The next video, the install is probably finished and you'll hear the exhaust, you'll see the headers on, and then with the intakes, with the tune and everything. So make sure you like, subscribe, and just share the video so you will get a notification when I upload that video with the Corsa Extreme exhaust and the headers on. Boy, it's gonna be so loud. I'm excited, bro. I'm excited. So stay tuned.